Hello and happy Friday, students. Today you are still working on your roller coasters. The good news is you will be able to actually get pieces that you may need from the blue bin today. You just still need to put in an order via the computer in the Google form. When you need tape, please check with Miss Sheehan. She will have the tape provided. Again, you need to order it in 30-centimeter sections. Your coasters will be due next week on Friday. Please use your time wisely. Enjoy the day. Do your best and show Miss Sheehan what awesome students you are. Thanks. Happy Friday, students. You are working on your roller coasters today. Remember, those computers are only for ordering materials through the Google form and for ordering tape. You may help yourself to the pieces that you need for your coaster from the blue bin. However, when you need tape, you will need to show Miss Sheehan your tape order on your computer and then submit it. Remember, you only order masking tape in 30-centimeter segments. All right, with that, the coasters will be due next week on Friday. I know some of you are making some great progress. Others of you need to put a little speed up on your work. Have a great weekend, and I will see you back here on Monday. Remember, best behavior gets you a reward next week, and poor behavior may get you an ISI if your name is left for poor behavior. Do your best. You guys are awesome. Be awesome today.